I think I'm going to have the honor of reading the longest nomination to date for Leader of the Quarter. And I would like to thank Sarah Kopp, Crystal Fuller, Robin King, Brooke Ziegler, and Jennifer Joyce for this nomination. The Leader of the Quarter, and I'll have her come forward, is Traci French. You got to come over here so you're on videotape. Congratulations. So bear with me here. I thought I'll just kind of shrink this down, but there was no way to shrink this down, so you're going to have to bear with me. Traci French should be given special thanks and recognition for exemplifying the mission, vision, values, and behaviors of our healthcare organization through consistent performance of leadership, responsibilities, attitude, and service. She lives out Good Samaritan Pride values every day in her role as Director of Professional Revenue Cycle at the Central Billing Office. It is with great pleasure that we nominate Traci French for the Good Samaritan Leader of the Quarter Award. Traci leads by example. She models the behavior that she expects from others. She has core values of dependability, honesty, and commitment to this organization and our team that earn her the respect of all those she works with. She has a can-do attitude and is always willing to assist in any area she can, whether it be credentialing, charge entry, follow-up, payment posting. If an area needs help, you can rely on her to jump in and do the job. She truly has a passion for her work and encourages our team daily to be the best we can be. She goes above and beyond to inspire each of us to become the best leaders we can be. We really appreciate the handwritten notes and cards that she gives us as recognition for a job well done. This simple gesture means a lot! Exclamation point. Traci truly cares about those she works with, and it shows in everything that she does. Traci is an exemplary standout when it comes to living our core values. She has gone above and beyond her leadership role this year with all the many hats she has had to wear. With many changes to the credentialing process over the year, which is so important for the hospital, she had a lot of hands on with that piece. Yes. All the program changes for Samaritan Center, Epic Go Live, and the implementation. Traci has been essential and has had a significant role throughout all processes. Her experience with the system and input has been greatly appreciated, and we are glad to have her there through the process. Even with all the additional roles she has had and she has undertaken, she continues to maintain her commitment to service excellence for the hospital and the patients. Traci is a great listener. Her team feels that she can be talked to and reached in a competent and professional manner. Traci will step forward and research topics to make sure that we are practicing correctly in our day-to-day processes. Traci stays involved with the tasks at hand. She is able to delegate when needed and follow through in her daily responsibilities. She stays involved by attending meetings that she feels are needed and benefits her time and to the CBO daily practices. She is on the Shining Star team and one of the Oasis teams. She's a team player. She wants to learn and knows more. She wants to learn and know more and is willing to step in feet first. She took on the Samaritan Center Epic upgrade for the CBO office, and she had the correct team players involved, and she seemed to learn so much about the whole Samaritan Center platform. She kept the team focused on task, and the end result was truly successful moving for the CBO office and the Samaritan Center team. She brought on a new certified Epic trainer to help us with this move to Epic, and that was truly a great decision made. Traci has been a blessing to our CBO PB team, and we feel that we have made the most progress in the last few years of having her on our team. One example of how Traci anticipates the wants and needs of others is how she executed the plan to transition workers to work from home during the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic. She received direction from the senior leaders that we needed to move quickly with transitioning staff to work from home. We found out that morning, and by noon, we had begun assisting staff loading their computers in their cars. It was a whirlwind, but with Traci's leadership, we were able to execute the plan with little issue. She had IS staff at the CBO within minutes, and they were preparing the computers to be taken home. Traci immediately went to work on revising the remote worker policy. She anticipated what the teams would need to fulfill their job duties from home, and she made sure the workflows were in place that would not result in any disruption in the revenue cycle. To this day, she continues to listen to the team members' suggestions and pushes to get the tools we need to do our job efficiently. Another example of how Traci anticipates the work and needs of others is how she handles goal setting for our teams. She understands that employees want to know what is expected of them and work at work, and that they desire for someone to talk about their progress. Traci does this. She encourages us, pushes us when we need it, and she praises us when we deserve it. She does a great job of sending emails, cards, and notes of encouragement and thanks to staff when they have achieved the goal. Traci will always want her team's opinion and something she is working on. She will also always listen to ideas you may present to her when working on a project. She is always open to new ideas and is willing to try things to see how the idea flourishes. Anytime you work on a project with Traci, she is very knowledgeable and does her research. That's the second time I've heard that research part, so that's awesome. She will push you to be your best and work hard to ensure the product will turn out and to be a successful one. Traci will meet with her team bi-weekly to go over issues and will listen to problems and help try to come up with ideas and troubleshoot any issues staff may have. She will always give her team a shout out when warranted, and that makes you want to work with her even more. Traci is a shining star because she is a shining example of a great leader. Traci has many terrific leadership qualities, including communication, integrity, accountability, humility, vision, influence, confidence, and resilience. We think the one that stands out most, especially after the last few months, is her resilience. The true measure of a person isn't how they perform during good times, but how they react when times get difficult. We have seen some difficult times at the CPO. It isn't any secret that things were not in the best shape for provider billing when Traci came into her position. And then just when things began to start rolling along pretty smoothly, bam, COVID. Traci is resilient. She's a great leader with a positive attitude and has rallied our team no matter the circumstances. She focuses on the solutions rather than the problems. She is our shining star.
Wow. I don't know what to say. Thank you. I have the best team. I could not do it with those ladies. They are just awesome. I can't say any more. Thank you.
So, here's that.
And here's your award. Thank you. Congratulations.